Yo, what's happening, guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Kotini Corner. My name is Joshua Dunn. Hope you guys are well. Hope you guys are swell, man. Hope you guys have been enjoying your week, man. So I'm really excited for this video. I feel like I say I'm excited for almost every video that I do, but this is because I love what I do, guys. So bear with me. And I'm really excited because I've gotten to partner up with the good people over at Superbalist for their, let me explain it to you, for their impossible to ignore winter looks. Now, what I love about this whole thing of this impossible to ignore winter looks is that, as you guys know on this channel, I love winter. Winter is my thing. So like, I love the fact that you can layer, that you can get a lot of pieces and all that jazz. So I'm really excited to let you guys know what I picked up. So basically I was given 2,500 Rand to pick out some pieces from the impossible to ignore winter look section on Superbalist. So you guys can get all the items that I have copped from that section. And yeah, man, I was tasked with getting some outfits. So basically I managed to get 2 outfits. All of this came up to 2,500 Rand with I think there was some discounts on it. So it came up to 2,815, but with the 315 discounts as well, it was 2,500 on the dot. So I got 2 outfits. So I got 2 hoodies, 2 pants, and a puffer jacket. So a puffer vest, not a jacket, a puffer vest. So I think it was money well spent, or a voucher well spent. But like I said, if you guys are new to the channel, if you could comment, like, subscribe. My name is Joshua Dunn. Again, I run Kotini Corner, Sneakervault, and Soul Talk, man. So let's get into some of these pieces. So when I break down the pieces, my idea that I was trying to go for. So I just recently, shout out to my sister. My sister just recently put me onto that Strike Holster song by Lil Yachty. And there was this outfit that he was wearing like on the dock, where there was this, like, he had this red jacket and he had these, I forgot the color of these pants, but I kind of wanted to pull off that kind of outfit with what I could get on Superbalist, like my iteration of that outfit. So that was kind of some of the style, let me say, the style influences for my winter pieces. I really enjoy Yachty's fashion. I think he's really been killing it lately, and he's actually influenced me quite a bit. So, and plus I just felt like changing my style for winter as well. So yeah, like you guys know on my Instagram, like I style things very different. Too. I don't have a set style. So I think for this winter, I really do want to have a set style. So I think a lot of these pieces that I will be getting will be a lot of like oversized pieces, you know, a lot of baggy pants and a lot of boots that I kind of want to get like that New York 90s feel steez, but I also want to make it very modern as well. So I'm trying to play around with those 2 elements, but I'm really excited to see what comes about from that, man. So let's get into these pieces, guys. Let's get into these pieces. I've spoken enough. So let's start off with this lovely, I think I would love to say like tan colored hoodie. I really like it. I think it's also part of the oversized collection. So most of these pieces I did get from the H&M brand. So H&M brand, for me personally, you guys know how much I really do love H&M. I think they really are affordable, and they're coming out with some really cool pieces, guys, some modern pieces, which is really lovely. So things that really got me with this hoodie was the S, the 1974, and then there's a huge S at the back. Now you guys know how I feel about things at the back of my hoodies and stuff like that. So that's really awesome. I think I paid about 500 Rand for this piece, so that wasn't too bad as well. So yeah, man, but I will give you guys the price breakdown of everything after we go through all the shoes. And then the second hoodie was this cool black oversized Iron Maiden hoodie as well. Let me pull it out here. I really do like the materials on this. Very soft. I like the grunge look. I love the fact that there's no drawstrings on the hoodie itself. It's just a big hood, which, you know, guys, I love big hoods on hoodies. And then at the back you get this amazing Iron Maiden prints at the back as well, which I really do love. You guys know me and pieces like that. So now we can get into the pants. So what I decided was, I've been looking for like a lot of baggy-ish pants, but materials that are not like let's say, for example, you get Dickies pants, like workwear pants, right? They don't have that elastic feel to them. So what I say about the elastic feel to them is that, like, you can't like move you don't really have a lot of movement in those pants. It's very just one way, you know. You can't like do jumps or something. Like, it's not very versatile, let me say it like that. It's just like, okay, cool, I know what I'm doing with those pants, you know what I'm trying to say. So with these pants that I wanted to get, it's very tactical, very baggy pants, very baggy, but they're also very very, very elasticy, which is really, really nice. So you can literally just pull it like this, which is really, really nice. And one thing that really sold me was like this tactical vibe over here that you can do over here. And it's so easy just to clip on. You just clip on at the bottom and then Bob's your uncle, bro. So this is like a brownish colorway. I'm on my Travis Scott steez. I know Travis Scott was like rocking these pants like forever, and it's just so nice and wide and baggy, and it's just very comfortable. You can throw a lot of fits on with this. You can even rock loafers with them. I think like once you're a stylish individual, you can rock anything with them, to be honest. So that's just my idea of it. And then this was to break down the inspiration that I got from Lil Yachty. Now I didn't know these ones had like drawstrings over here, so people that like to cuff their cargos, you can cuff it. There's also a possibility on these, so if you want to do that, you can knock yourself out. But I really love this maroon kind of brownish colorway. Very, very beautiful colorway. I think when I do show you guys how I styled it, you guys are gonna cry, because I did shoot some of the first styling picture today. So I'm really excited to show you guys the outfit that I put together with this. But this is just really, really nice. I love the bagginess, and I also love the tactical thing over here. It has the same one as the brown pants that we show. You just clip it like this and you're good to go. Bob's your uncle, you know what I'm trying to say, guys. And then last but not least, I think out of all of them, this could be one of my favorite pickups from the pack that we got. So this is the Style Republic puffer vest. Now puffer vest for me, I this is the first time really trying it. You know, normally they didn't really suit me, but I think I just didn't have the right sizing, because I used to wear my dad's puffer jacket, but I think it was too big for me, so it wasn't fitting like I wanted to fit. So this is an extra large. What I did, right, I know the model was wearing a medium, and how I judged it was it looked, when you zipped it up, it looked quite like fitted. So I was like, this actually fits true to size. So this is Style Republic. I will give you the price on this, but I just love the material. This is actually really nice and puffy, which is really important to me. Normally a lot of brands that say things are puffy, but they're not really that puffy. So this is really, really important to me, and I really like it. So I can't wait to wear this thing like forever, guys, forever. So now let me just break down the prices of each items and how much they're going for. So let's start with the puffer vest, right? The puffer vest was for $584. The Iron Maiden black hoodie was $529. The maroon and brown pants $529 each, and then the brown hoodie was $329. So all in all, it came up to 2,500 for me. I think like things are becoming quite pricey, but I think like with winter items, it's just essentials that you need, you know, like little pieces just to build on. I think like these are certain pieces that I've been missing from my wardrobe. I think like when you're trying to build a winter wardrobe, I think hoodies, pants, and other things that you can add on. Like I always tell people, when you are winter shopping, try and get winter clothes throughout the year, just like small pieces that you can tie together so you can get a whole outfit together. Because you know, with winter it's important to layer. It's really, really important to layer, and those are the things that sell people on outfits for winter, you know what I'm trying to say. And that's why when you try and buy a whole winter outfit at one go, why it can be pricey, because winter outfits rely heavily on layering, you know what I'm trying to say. So that's just some things that you guys must look out for. Like obviously, you know, Superbalist is also very efficient. I ordered these things on Saturday, they arrived on Tuesday, so it's very, very efficient. 2 to 3 days, not even 2 to 3 days, 1.5 working days really. So Superbalist is very efficient, and shout out to the Superbalist team for gifting me these and allowing me to check. I can't wait to do some more work with you guys. And guys, let me know what you guys think of the pieces, and if you need any more information, I'll try to drop the links for each piece in the description box so you guys can see, and you guys can go shop it if you want to. But yeah, man, that was me, Josh Dan, Kotini Corner. Peace and love.